What up y'all, we're back with another cinematic tutorial, and this time we have a nice mid-drop fade to go over, so let's hop in. The first thing you want to do is comb the hair into its natural position. This will make the fade process so much easier by giving you a flat canvas. Now with your preferred trimmer, set in your first baseline. Don't dig in too deep into the scalp because it will make it much more difficult to erase it later on. Remember, this line is supposed to complement your client's head shape, so take your time and make sure both sides are identical. Next, remove everything underneath. I personally flip my trimmer around and use it to slowly debulk. Patiently take your time doing this, or else you can irritate the skin. For a cleaner look, shave down all the stubble left behind. With your clipper now, open up the lever and create a 1/2 inch guideline. Follow the baseline you created. Make sure to have the same size guide all around, or else you will end up with one side higher than the other. Next, close up the lever fully and start hitting that baseline ending up halfway through the guideline. You want to gradually open up the lever a notch as you keep moving up on this guide. I did notice my baseline wasn't completely gone, so I used my trimmer to take it out. If you want to learn some small tips on how to use your machines in unique ways, click on the card to watch a specific video on secrets that can change up your barber game. I do find that my FX3 trimmer is best to take out any line closest to my shaver, so I brought that out to top it off. If you do manage to get a beautiful first guide transition, the rest of the fade will set itself up, so make sure to clear that baseline up perfectly. Now with your 1.5 guard open, create a full inch guideline. I do flake out just a tad bit so I don't create another line above that. The goal is to make the entire blend as smooth as possible. Next, with your number 2 open, move up another 1/2 inch, still giving that flickering motion. And with your number 3, do the same. It's basically just a ladder of numbers until it perfectly blends into the top. If you want to take it to the next level with the detail, bring out some blending shears and use them over a comb for a nice finish. Okay, using the 1/2 guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. With the same guard, just open up the lever and move up another 1/2 inch above that. With the one guard, just break the line within the dark and light area. You can soften anything you see with the guards you've previously used. Remember to stay patient and be picky with your artwork. Touch up dark spots and use corners. Finally, open up the lever fully and hit that last visible line you're able to see. Guys, you have to be willing to use loads of corners if you want detailed blends. Go over all of your steps and make sure each one of them are executed perfectly. I do suggest you do each step all around the head, but for demonstration purposes I happen to be doing one side then the other. I just want to say thank you to everyone who tunes in and watches the videos. I greatly appreciate y'all, and let's keep growing together. If you do happen to be wondering where to get these guards, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com and you'll be able to find any color to match your station. Also, don't forget you could use my code MARTY10 for a discount at any official BARBER site or custom FX app. Back to the cut. As you can see towards the end, I do touch up the entire blend by picking things I know could use some work. You have to be willing to be the judge of your own artwork. As for the top portion of the head, I ran it too open to get rid of all excess hair. I now hairspray the line up and start in the middle, working my way up to the corner. Apply product and retouch your lineup with your razor to make it look as crisp as possible. Guys, that's been it for me today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this and learned something off of it. I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace.